What's up, traders? Today I'm going to break down a powerful multi-timeframe trading strategy using the MACD default settings and the 50 EMA across the daily and 1-hour charts. This system helps you catch moves with the trend, backed by clean technical confirmation. Quick disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. Trading is risky. Never risk what you can't afford to lose. Let's walk through the buy setup step by step. Step 1. Higher time frame trend check daily chart. Price must be above the 50 EMA on the daily chart. This confirms we're in a bullish trend. Step 2. Drop to 1-hour chart. Now switch to the 1H time frame and look only for buys. We're trading with the higher time frame trend. Step 3. MACD confirmation. On the 1H chart, wait for the MACD moving averages to cross upward. That's your buy confirmation. Risk and trade management. Stop loss. Use the ATR, average true range, to determine a more dynamic and adaptive stop loss. Take profit. Aim for a clean 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Simple math, consistent execution. Quick break. If you're serious about mastering your trading game, I've put together a list of trusted brokers and an advanced trading ebook packed with strategies and insights. Hit the link below to grab both now. You don't want to miss this. Now let's flip it for sell setups. Step 1. Higher time frame trend check daily chart. Price must be below the 50 EMA on the daily. This confirms a bearish trend. Step 2. Drop to 1-hour chart. Move to the 1H and look only for sell setups. We want to trade with momentum. Step 3. MACD confirmation. On the 1H, wait for the MACD moving averages to cross downward. That's your confirmed sell signal. Step 4. Risk and trade management. Stop loss. Again, use the ATR indicator to calculate a smart stop level based on market volatility. Take profit. Stick to the proven 1:2 risk to reward structure. And that's the system. It's clean, trend-based, and uses multi-timeframe confluence to increase your edge. If you want to level up your trading, grab my advanced trading ebook and check out the list of top-tier brokers I've put together. Hit the link below. All the tools are there to help you